Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So in your Shopify store you can also implement the same feature, and this video is specific for Dawn theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already created a videos playlist, so I will be adding the link below in the description, so you should follow that. And if you're still not able to find the relevant video, then you can message me. I will create a new video for you. If the variant name is not the color, if you have any other variant name, then still you can separate them out on your collection pages. So I will show you step by step that how you can make it happen in your store by just copy and pasting the code. So here on my screen you can see that I have all these products on my collection pages, but only single color is displaying here. For example, I am considering this product, so you can see that we have only one color displaying there, but on product page we have multiple colors. So how we can display all these colors on our collection pages? So firstly, you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Dawn theme. This version is 15.3.0. If you have any other version, then still this code will support. So you can actually download the code and implement the same feature into your theme version as well. So firstly, you should click on these three dots and then duplicate this theme. Once you are duplicating it, then actually later on if you have any problem or something, you can roll it back to its original version. And after duplication, you should click on edit code, and here you can see that we have some folders and files. So I have already given a documentation, so you should follow that. I will be adding the link below in the description. So once you are downloading that, you will be getting these three files. So you should open document.txt. So inside of it you will see that we have certain steps to follow. So the first step is like create new snippet, color dash variant, and paste attached code. So let me copy this and go back here in the snippets. Click on add a new snippet and paste color dash variant, and then click on done. Similarly, we have the second step, which is create new snippet, color dash card dash product. So let me copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that color dash card dash product, and click on done. Now the third step is go to sections and open man dash collection dash product dash grid. So let me copy this, and you should search inside of this search box, and you can see that we have man dash collection dash product dash grid dot liquid under sections. So you should open this file also, and inside of it you need to find card dash product. So let me search it right here using Control F or maybe Command F. You can search it, and here we go. Now you need to replace this card dash product with color dash variant. So let me copy this, and here we go. Now you can see that we have card dash product, and I'm going to replace it with color dash variant. And then the final step is that you need to remove li tag around the card product render component. So basically this is a render component, and this is enclosed inside li tag. So I'm going to remove this li tag, opening tag, and then closing tag also. So I have deleted, and then click on save. Now you can close this, and let's paste the attached code which I have already given. So you should open color dash variant.txt. So let me copy this complete code and go back here, open color dash variant.liquid and paste that code here, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, you can close this file and go back to the folder. Here we have another color dash card dash product.txt. So you should open that file also, copy the code, go back here, paste it, and then save the changes, and then close this file. Now we are interested to see the preview. So let me click on preview, and now earlier we had this situation, but if you are refreshing this page, you can see that we have now all the colors displaying on this collection page. So you can see that how beautiful this is now, and earlier we only had one color, but now we have multiple colors. So you can see that this is looking more better than before. So that's how you can actually implement this feature into your store, and definitely your sales will be boosted. And if you have any problem or something, so you can definitely message me. I will help you out in that. If you have a new section to create, or maybe you have any new feature to develop, or you want a new store to create, or any problem you have in your Shopify store. So I am ready to help you out in that. I have already given the contact details below in the description, so you can directly message me and I will help you in solving the issues. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. You can also join a WhatsApp group. And if you want, you can also join the perks of the YouTube. So there I am also posting some relevant content, and you will also get some personal consultation related to your store. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.